Welcome to Module 2, Identifying ELL Needs. We're going to go over three main topics in this module. The first, how we identify ELLs in the state of Delaware. Second, we're going to discuss the wide diversity of the needs that our English language learners bring to the classroom. And finally, the specific needs of SLIFE students, students with limited or interrupted formal education. If you have not done so already, please complete the pre-reading reflection and be reading the Gottlieb text, the selected pages, as you can see on the overview page here, as well as the excerpts from Marshall and De Capua about SLIFE students, and also the key sections from the Delaware ELL Guidebook, Section 2 about the identification process, and Section 3 about diagnostic screening. I've also provided some additional resources for you from the WIDA website, a couple of bulletins focus on language and culture and focus on SLIFE, as well as a link to a Coloring Colorado site that provide some useful information about ELL special populations, and also some links from this past summer's Summer Institute that you may also find useful. So as I said, there are three sections to this module, each of which has videos for you to watch and accompanying tasks. The first section about identifying ELLs will be followed by a task where you will need to compare some of the tools that are used to determine whether or not to screen an ELL for language needs. The second section will be further discussion about diversity of ELL needs and how we need to think further about how those needs would inform our instruction. And following that, you will complete a class profile of your current class or group, particularly further identifying the specific language and cultural needs of your ELLs. And finally, you'll need to set aside about 15 minutes to watch the videos in the third section about SLIFE students. And following that, there'll be a discussion that I'll ask you to share a preliminary case study about one of your students. Finally, the module will finish with a quiz and then a post-module survey. And as always, there is a place to post questions in the weekly module question discussion board.